For today, we're going to review how to find sprites inside of Scratch, how to resize your sprites, how to choose different backgrounds. Does anyone here remember how to find a scratch?
Yeah.
Well, raise your hand. What was it?
You gotta call scratch.mit.edu.
Scratch.mit.edu, that's the first step?
Yeah.
Okay. So once we get there, what do?
You gotta create your account. You ain't got one.
Create an account? After you create the account, then what?
But your
You go to create.
create.
Create. All right. So if everyone is already logged in, this is what their screen should look like after pressing, clicking on create, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this cat right here is then called what?
It's a sprite.
A sprite. Okay. So since we have this Scratch packet, we want to do lesson 1 with the butterflies. How should we get rid of this first scratch? Sprite.
You're supposed to right click it and then delete.
Right click, delete.
Yeah.
Okay. And I choose another sprite. Sprite.
Yeah, press that.
Okay. So
You
we're
go
looking
to
for
butterfly.
butterfly.
Butterfly one.
Okay.
To the butterfly.
That one.
Hold on. So Tyshawn, go ahead and right click and press delete. All right. And to access the first sprite library, and then that's not working. Go ahead and click the, you see this icon,
there.
diamond?
Yeah.
Click on that.
It's like a little fairy.
That'll access the sprite library. All right, so for you, we'll just do the application that's on the computer. If it says agree, just go ahead and click agree.
Okay.
All right? Okay, so we need 3 butterflies. If you look at the first page, first exercise.
You got duplicated.
You gotta duplicate it. Make it easier.
Okay,
All you gotta do is just keep
Right click.
so
Right
Tamara, tell me how do you use
You gotta right click it and press duplicate.
Yeah.
Right click, press duplicate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Duplicate.
All right,
Then duplicate that.
Then duplicate that one again.
okay. Well, since we're on sprites, I want to show you guys real quick how to resize your sprite and also change the direction, because when you get to exercise 3 and exercise 4, you have to actually change the direction of the sprite. So the way we do that is there's a little paintbrush right here. Click on that paintbrush, click on the sprite, it should appear on the right. Mine is looking kind of large right now. All right, take your left key and drag a box around here to capture the whole sprite. All right. So in order to rotate this, I can do it 2 ways. I can click the button right here to flip the left and right, or to go upside down to go this way, or I could hover the cursor around the top right here, and we can just turn it this way. That's for future exercises, though, it's not for this one. All right? So let's go back to our scripts. So from the worksheet that we have, can anyone tell me where to find the first script? Which subject? Which topic?
Okay, you gotta go to events.
Wait, Lawrence raised his hand. Where you go?
For this one, you
Yeah.
gotta go right there and click on events.
Events? Okay. So if you look at your handout, you'll notice that the blocks are all color-coded, right?
Yeah.
So now we're on the events, it matches the color on the worksheet. Which script do we need?
Just the one
The
that
second
says
one.
space key press.
Okay, so how do you use it? Make sure you raise your hands though. How do you use it? Okay, Lawrence.
You gotta when you click on it and you press the space bar, it like set the command or the stuff that's under it.
Okay.
Like the bars. Right?
So how do we use the script though? How do we get it
You
to
gotta
work?
drag it over to the box.
So drag it over to the right. Okay. Next. All right, so next we have to change the color effect of the first butterfly. How do we choose that block? Where's that script located?
And looks.
Looks. Okay. Looks. All right, so we're looking for a change color effect. All right, so we just dragged it over 2 as well, and we make sure these blocks lock in. All right. So if we press the stop button and then the green flag, and we hit the space bar, we should see at least one butterfly change the colors right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we need to use these same blocks for other sprites. Does anyone know a shortcut how to get around finding the scripts each time?
Can't you duplicate?
Duplicate how?
By clicking on the one that had the settings already done.
Okay. So, Lawrence, tell me how to do that. So,
Alright, so click on it and duplicate that,
okay.
and then add it to the one, the butterfly 3.
How do you add it though?
You gotta, I think you gotta drag it to the sprite.
Okay. So let's see if that works. Okay, so we have two sprites changing colors now. Two butterflies. But they look like they're changing to the exact same color. So how can we change this to be different colors? Anybody know?
And change the effect number.
Can you say that again?
And change the effect number.
Change the effect number. Okay. So what should I make the middle one?
Huh?
You probably got like
You want
10 or 15.
10 to 15?
Yeah.
How about we try 50? Just to double it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now they're changing different colors. All right. Does anyone have any questions about
No.
this exercise?
No.
No.
So you can complete it on your own?
Yeah.
If you need to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.